I always thought to myself that I've given 20 years to academics and let's give 10 more to art. See how it goes. It's very important to have a very honest source of inspiration. Understand how geometry can take form along with color in terms of its structure as well as a plane. How people should look at it as a way of life because it's so much more than just a profession. As people see that it is growing in a very sort of spiritual sort of pathway, I think people are moving towards this.